Welcome. I'm Corey Schneider, physical therapist and creator of ExtraClock. Do you know approximately 70% of Americans spend 6 to 8 hours a day sitting, mostly at work? Over $90 billion are spent each year treating diseases and conditions that stem from a lack of physical activity. As great as today's technology is, it's created an inactive employee workforce, and their health risks are driving healthcare and employer insurance costs skyward. ExtraClock is a serious solution to this ever-growing problem we face as office professionals. Whether it's for your entire corporation or just you at home, our unique prompting technology and programs facilitate every individual to get moving and get healthy. If you're ready for a unique, fun, and interactive wellness program that's as effective as it is simple, please explore our website and contact us now. It's time for you to experience for yourself how ExtraClock will revolutionize your health and wellness.